In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add an event countdown to WordPress. Whether you're promoting an upcoming webinar, planning a product launch, or simply hosting a memorable occasion, countdowns are a fantastic way to build anticipation and engage your audience. Now, let's dive right into the process, making it simple and clear. To get started, you'll want to log in to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're on the main dashboard screen, navigate to the left-hand menu and locate the Plugins option. Click on this, and then go ahead and select Add New. This will take you to the plugin search page, where you can search for countless plugins available to enhance your WordPress site. In the search bar located at the upper right corner, type Countdown Timer. As you type, you'll see various plugin options begin to populate the screen. Here, it's important to select a highly rated and frequently updated plugin with a significant number of installs, which indicates that many other users trust and rely on it as well. One commonly used option is the Countdown Timer plugin, known for its ease of use and customization options. Click Install Now next to the chosen plugin, and wait a few moments for the installation to complete. Once it's done, an Activate button will appear in place of the Install button. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. With the plugin now activated, it's time to set it up. Go back to the left-hand menu and find the newly added Countdown Timer option, or alternatively, if your plugin names it differently, it could be under Settings or its own specific title. Click on this to enter the plugin's settings page. Within this section, you'll have a range of customization settings available. You'll need to choose the type of countdown you want, such as a countdown clock or a simple digital display. Most plugins allow adjusting the design aspects like colors, fonts, and sizes, so it seamlessly integrates with the look of your site. Be sure to input the exact date and time of your event. Pay close attention here because the accuracy matters. Setting the correct time zone is crucial to ensure it counts down precisely to your intended moment. Once you're happy with these settings, save your changes. The final step is displaying this countdown on your site. Generally, the plugin will provide a short code or widget. If it's a widget, you can drag and drop it from the Widgets section to the desired widget area of your theme. If using a short code, simply copy it and paste it into any post, page, or custom section you want the countdown to appear. Review everything to make sure it looks exactly how you envisioned. Test the countdown to confirm it is functioning as expected. Remember, you can always revisit the timer's settings to fine-tune any details if needed. And that's it. You've successfully added a dynamic and engaging countdown to your WordPress site. Thanks for watching, and happy countdown creation!